Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. Now unfortunately for this process we will need a cable. I have one right over here, and you do need to plug it into your computer. Now we don't really need to do anything on the computer side, we just need the computer and that's all. So let's just plug it in from here and power it off. So bam and bam, and wait for it to turn off. Once it actually has turned off, you want to hold power key and volume up, so both of the keys at the same time. And there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. Volume down will go down and up will go up respectively, and power key will be used to confirm whatever you select. And from the recovery mode you can access things like bootloader, and this is actually a fast boot mode. Apply updates from ADB or SD card. Wipe data, which basically is just a wipe of everything on the phone. Wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test or local test, power off, and repair up. So whatever you select, like I said, you will then confirm it with power key. Now because I want to leave this mode, I'm gonna select the reboot system now, power key, and this will take me back to Android. Now we can also unplug the phone, because this is only needed when booting into the recovery mode. And let's wait for it to take us back to Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.